How to log in a Disney credit card account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Disney credit card account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of the web application and at the top search bar type in Disney credit card account. As you do so, scroll below and under here, you will see Visa credit card from Chase and Disney. Click open that link. Then you will get landed onto its official website. Now to get logged into your Disney account, click on to sign in on your top page. As you land onto this interface, click on the username and type in your username. Once done, check the box that says remember me if you like to remember this username for this site. Also don't forget to enter your password and click on to sign in. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on Forgot Username/Password and get help resetting your account. In case you don't have an account, click on to Not Enrolled or Sign Up Now and you can create yourself your own Disney Chase account. Just like so, if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account, and that is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.